Hello, in today's video, I will discuss how to save image in database and folder using PHP PDO extension. In past, I create a comprehensive video covering this topic, demonstrating the seamless process of saving the image to both a database and folder using PHP, and I will put the link of that video in this video description and icon above. You can watch that video after watching this video. Okay, and I have pre-designed the index.php and database connection so that the video does not get too big. For those who don't know how to connect database with PHP PDO extension, I will tell them that you can go to the video section of my channel and watch the video, or I will share the blog link in the video description box. First, I create index.php and here from that two things keep in mind. First, encrypt code type multipass / form data and input type is file. Okay. Second, the button name is upload and upload name is submit, means button name is submit. Go to upload.php. Here database connection, host is localhost, DB name is ytpdo and username is root and password blank. Now start. First, write if is set first bracket $_ post, then square bracket button name. The button name is submit. Copy the name of button and paste here, and $ image _ name equal to $ files square bracket image square bracket name. Next, temp $ image _ temp equal to, copy this line and paste here and change it is temp name. Okay. Next, directory to store the image $ image _ folder equal to, here already create my folder. My folder name is save file. Save file. Okay. Next, image path $ image _ path equal to $ or copy the folder variable, paste here, space dot space, copy image name variable. If file exists, copy image folder variable and paste here or pass here. mkdir paste image folder, comma 0755, comma true. Now save image path to database and folder. If move uploaded file, copy temp variable and pass here, comma image path variable. Now save image path to the database query. $query equal to insert into my table name is image, and here two column, image name and image path. Image pass image underscore name, comma image path, image underscore path. Values colon image underscore name, comma colon image underscore path. Next $stmt equal to $con. This $con, copy con hyphen greater than prepare, pass this query, semicolon. Next $stmt hyphen greater than bind parameter, colon image underscore name, comma $image underscore name. Copy this line and paste next, and change name with temp, with path. Save. Next, print successful message. If $stmt hyphen greater than execute, first bracket echo image uploaded and save successful, and else copy this echo line, paste here, echo image upload save not successful, and after if write else echo error uploading image, check the destination folder permission. Okay, error uploading image. Check the destination folder permission. Save and go to web, refresh the page, choose file, first 404 page design, open and upload. The error line number 33, and here see save the image in the folder. Okay, 33. Copy the image path, paste and save. Okay, reload the page and choose file, here and upload, and see how to connect database using PDO in PHP. The save in the folder and go to database and browse, reload.